Hello and welcome to the support video for Workload Automation video series. In this video, I will demonstrate how to configure file permissions for Control-M for databases job output files on a Unix platform. There may be a situation that requires the Control-M job output files to be accessible by other groups other than the job owner. An example would be that you wanted to give other users access to the contents of the job output files on the agent machine. Therefore, you need to update the permissions on the file on the Unix platform. By default, the Control-M for databases job output file permissions are read and write for the owner, read for the group, and read for the other users. If you need to change the default permission, you will need to update the config.dat file on the Control-M agent machine. There is a parameter called sysout_mode that controls the file permission on the generated Control-M for databases job output file. Edit the config.dat file and add the parameter sysout_mode with the relevant Unix permissions in octal format, for example 755. The 755 octal format will give read, write, execute to the owner, read and execute to the group, and read and execute to all other users. I will demonstrate the steps in detail on my Control-M 920 1-install environment. Let's see the behavior with the default settings in the demonstration. On the agent machine, cd to the agent's ctm/data folder. Cat the config.dat file and you will see that there is no sysout_mode parameter mentioned in the file. Next, we will run a Control-M for databases job type and verify the output file permissions in the default setting. I will switch to the Workload Automation GUI client and run a Control-M for databases job. After the job completes, go back to the Control-M agent machine and navigate to the sysout folder where the job output files are generated. cd to the agent's sysout folder and do a directory listing with ls-ltr. As seen, the file permissions are read-write for the job owner, read for the group, and read for others. In order to change the default permissions, we will add the sysout_mode parameter into the config.dat file with the octal permission of 755 as an example. So let's navigate to the data folder and edit the config.dat file. Add the line sysout_mode space 755 at the end of the file. Then save the file. Let's double check and the sysout_mode parameter is added. Next, go back to the GUI and rerun the database job again. After the job completes, let's go back to the agent machine and navigate to the sysout folder and do a ls-ltr listing again. As you can see, the permissions have reflected according to the sysout_mode 755 permissions. As a side note, this sysout_mode parameter does not affect the file permissions for OS type jobs. It will affect database type jobs. If you wanted to change the job output permissions for Control-M OS job types, you can add the parameter called output_mode in the config.dat file and verify the permissions. There is no need to restart the Control-M agent processes after these changes. That concludes this Control-M Solutions video. Please see our knowledge base and YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.